What is search intent in SEO? You really need to understand what search intent is, otherwise you're going to waste a lot of time creating content, right? You need to know what users are looking for, what Google brings you, right? So I have a few examples. I think it's more easy to understand. So let's go to the screen. I'll show you and I'll explain what is exactly search intent in SEO. I type how to paint my own car. There's a video and there are some articles, right? So what do you think? What is search intent of this keyword? How to paint my own car. So this keyword says, okay, someone would like to paint his or her own car. So he would like to have some informations, right? So it's more easier if I click this video. People like this stuff, right? So people like videos, right? It's more easier to understand without reading it. So Google knows that, right? And if I open, there are some questions, so related questions. So if I open the first result, should be an article, how to paint a car. So there's a step-by-step guide, right? And next one, so there are another 4 videos, because like I said before, Google knows, right? Google has paid so much money to develop Google's algorithm, right? So it knows what users want. So the second one, so how much does it cost to paint the car? It's not exactly what users looking for. How much does it cost to paint a car yourself? So okay, it's kind of related, that's why it's there, right? So it's like a small guide as well. And the third one, paint your own car for under $200. Or how I learned to love, what is that ever means, I don't know. So nice looking cars, not a car, a van. So with a lot of pictures, right? Because when someone search for informational type terms, Google users like to see pictures and videos as well, right? So you can see there's a big guide, step-by-step guide. So step 6, step 7, right? Let's click another one. The poor man's paint job. Okay, that's interesting. Step 1, right? Prepare work. So this is the search intent, right? It's more easier when you think the user is who use this keyword. So if I want to paint my own car, I would definitely type how to paint my own car, or how should I paint my car, how should I paint my car at home, something like this. So I want to know how to do it, right? So the thing is, this is the really the important part. So let's say you have a paint company, right? You are selling some vehicle paint, right? So if you are trying to sell your product here, right, with your e-commerce website, now you know that doesn't works, right? Because you have to, yeah, of course you can uh, write a good blog post, right, within your domain, right? So from your domain, yeah, that can rank. But if you are trying to actually rank a category page, right, whatever the product page, that's not gonna rank because your content goes nowhere. So this is so important. And the other thing is, bottom of the page there are related searches, right? Most of the time these searches also kind of not kind of, I have seen most of the time these are informational type keywords. So you can see how to paint a car at home outside, how to paint a car with spray cans, cheapest way to paint a car, how to spray paint a car step by step, how to spray paint a car professionally, how to prepare a car for paint, right? So if I click this one, let's say this one, you can see the same format, big, there's a big YouTube video, right? So what it says, check the relevancy. Google really good at that. So you can see there are cans, right? So the best rattle can card paint job, right? It's really important to understand. And here we are, 4 videos. There's another video, right? So WikiHow is there. So let's say this one. Pretty sure, yeah, comes with pictures, right? Something. Okay, so you can see there are nice looking photos, right? Step-by-step guide, right? So people like it, right? So this is the most important part. You need to understand when you going after a keyword, right? If you don't understand what the intent of the keyword, what you can do is you can just simply come here and type it, and then you can see what kind of websites ranking, because Google have done this for many years. Google have paid so much money to develop the algorithm, right? And Google knows what users want, right? Okay, so now I would like to type laptop, right? So when you type one word, Google doesn't know what you are looking for, right? What do you want, right? If I say car, see, there are so much stuff is coming, right? Car payment calculator, car loan calculator, car wash, car rental, car guru, I think it's a brand, car wash for car wash Fort Worth, car wash Dallas. I'm using a VPN right now because I live in Germany. My point is here Google trying to think what you want. What do you want, right? Because Google doesn't know your intent. So that's why it will give you more. If I type laptop, so laptop deals, laptop for sale, laptop stand, laptop repair near me, laptop repair Dallas, laptop repair, so much stuff, right? Okay, that is what called search intent. Now you know why search intent in SEO so much important, right? So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you like to learn about SEO, intent marketing, you can subscribe. I make a video every second day. So see you in the next video. Yeah.